Shocking salary differences between Mamelodi Sundowns coaches Rulani Mokoena and Mangoba Mngisi have been exposed in the employment contracts they submitted to Joburg High Court last month. According to Sunday World, Mokoena and Mngitsi's salaries were poles apart, even though they were both employed as assistant coaches of the team's former coach, Pitso Mosimane, and rendered the same services. According to Mokoena's contract, which ends this month, the Brazilian coach earned 180,000 rand per month when he joined the club on July 1, 2020 as Mosimane's assistant coach. The amount was 200,000 less than what the club paid Mngitsi per month, who earned 380,000 rand per month in the same period. The contract does not state that Mokoena's salary was bumped up when he was appointed as the club's head coach after Mosimane's departure. And if his salary has not been hiked, it means Mokoena is still earning 260,000 rand, less than Mngitsi. Mngitsi, whose contract also ends in June this year, is currently earning 440,000 rand per month after the club increased his salary twice over the past 2 seasons. According to Mokoena's contract, Sundowns did not only pay him 180,000 rand per month, but also a signing-on fee of 720,000 rand. The contract stated, as remuneration for the services to be rendered by the employee in terms of this agreement, the club shall pay to the employee on the last business day of each month. The employee shall earn an annual gross remuneration package of 2.8 million rand for the period 1 July 2020 to 30th June 2021, payable as follows: a gross monthly salary of 180,000 rand for the period of 1 July 2020 to 30th June 2021, and a signing-on fee of 720,000 rand payable on or before 31st of July 2020. Thereafter, the remuneration package shall be adjusted annually according to CPI on each anniversary date. Mokoena took home less according to the contract because the club deducted a pay-as-you-earn income tax and any other relevant statutory levies. The contract further stipulates that the club will pay Mokoena a net performance bonus of between 5,000 rand and 8,000 rand in respect of each game won by the club, but will still deduct payee taxes from it. The club also said it was an obligation for Mokoena to belong to its group life insurance scheme and to belong to a medical aid scheme approved by the club. Like Mngitsi, Sundowns had set goals or targets for Mokoena. The club said that for the period 1 July 2020 to 30th June 2021, Mokoena was supposed to ensure that the club won the 2020-2021 Premier Soccer League, 2020-2021 CAF Champions League, the 2020 MTN Club, or the 2020 Telkom Knockout Cup, or the Nedbank Cup 2021. The club set the same targets for Mokoena for the 2021, 2022, 2022, 2023, and 2023-2024 seasons. It further stated it had the right to terminate his contract if he failed to deliver on his mandate. Mokoena and Mngitsi's salaries were revealed in the employment contracts they submitted to court after being subpoenaed by Mosimane and his wife, Moira Tlhagale's lawyers, last month to do so. The lawyers are opposing Sundowns' demand to Africa's best coach and his wife, who is his agent, to pay back more than 8 million rand commission they received from the club as he left before the end of his contract with the Kluokop side. The club argued that the contract they both signed contained a clawback clause which stipulated that they should pay back the commission in the event Mosimane left the team before the end of his contractual term. Mosimane and his wife argued the clause was unconstitutional and discriminatory, as Mokoena and Mngitsi did not have the same punitive clauses in their contracts of employment. So they asked Mokoena and Mngitsi to submit their contracts for scrutiny. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.